Good morning, students. Today I am taking here revision for this regular math HCF. HCF means highest common factor. HCF highest common factor. Here question is given. Find the HCF of these following numbers. You write here factors of these numbers. Then afterwards you write here common factors. Then you write here this in these common factors which is the biggest number. Then you write here HCF highest common factor. See one example, 36 and 48. Find the HCF of following numbers. Again two methods is HCF, prime factorization method and division method. See one by one. Here given 36 and 48. These two numbers. Then you firstly write here these factors of these 36. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 12, 18 and 36. Then factors of 48. 1, 2. Which numbers are these divisible by this 48? All these numbers you write here. 1, 2, 3, even the 3, and 3 also. 4, 6, 6 no. 6, 7 no, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, then 16, 24 and 48, last one number. Then in these two numbers you write here these common factors. Common factors. Which numbers are the same? Then you write here 1, 2, 3 also, 4, 6. Then 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. Then in these all numbers, which is the biggest number here? HCF, highest common factor in these common factors, which is the biggest number? 12. Then you write here answer 12. Again one see example, 20 and 50. 20 and 50. Firstly you write here these factors of these 20. Factors of 20. All these numbers are divided by 20. Then you write here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then factors of 50. 1, 2 also, 3, 4, 5, 10, then 25 and last one number 50. Then you write here these common factors. In these two numbers, which numbers are the same? Then you write here 1 also, 2, 5 and 10. Then you write here 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then below you write here HCF, greatest number. In these common factors, which is the greatest number? 10. Then you write here means 20 and 50. In these two numbers, the HCF of these two numbers 10. Then again giving here some examples and you find out the HCF. In homework you complete this. This third one. 45, comma 30. Write here these factors of this 45. Afterwards you write here factors of 30. Then afterwards write is common factors and which is the biggest number in this common factors. Then you write your answer. Then fourth one. Fifth, 39, 25, 49, 56, 81, 99, 24, 36. Then 120, 144 and last number 25, 75. 25, 75. You see here one example of this prime factorization method. Then any method you choose and find this LCM. See this one, this prime factorization method. Suppose this number 45, 30. Then you write here these factors of this 45. Here you will place 5, then you divisible by this 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. Then 45 is equal to factors write on 3 into 3 into 5. Then you write here these factors of this 30. See here 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. Then you write here these factors of this 30. 2 into 3 into 5. Then writing common factors in these two numbers. Right here, common factors. Here 3, here also 3. Here 5, here also 5. Then 3 into 5, you do here multiplication. In this prime factorization method, which numbers are the common, then you do here multiplication. Here common factors 3 and 5 means HCF is equal to 15. HCF is equal to 15. These numbers 45 and 30, these two numbers HCF is 15. This is this prime factorization method. Any method you choose and find out this HCF of these numbers. Okay, in homework you complete this and send me homework. Okay, bye.